How to get Instagram followers fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually get Instagram followers fast, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get and increase your Instagram followers quite fast, there are a couple of steps you can take. Some of the basic thing includes that you don't have a private account, you have a professional account or a business creator account. Just make sure you switch to your professional account if you haven't done so, just in case, because that is ultimately going to give you more insight. Now some of the steps to increase your followers fast includes: do not just spam content posted. Don't just post everything that you have, and don't just post spam. Every post that you have needs to add value to the users and the audiences that already follow you. And always, instead of focusing on how much followers you can gain, give the value to the people who has already followed you and what they actually want. Eventually more people will start joining in. If you always focus on how much people you can attract instead of focusing on people who you already have as a follower, they are also going to be ignorant and they're going to unfollow you as well. Always make sure that you post at the right times and analyze what has worked for you in the past. Also make sure that you organize the stories and highlights. Now I've also made a tutorial on that, because Instagram stories are usually going to disappear after 24 hours, so you can always add them in a highlight as a brand. People who view it will be able to see and follow you. Now one of the best ways to increase your followers is to always host a giveaway. It is actually quite a brilliant idea to invest in some amount of money if you really want followers that fast. Ask people to follow you, and then you will announce the winner of some amount of money, gift, cash prize, or whatever else you prefer, so that people can tag, mention, and also increase your followers simultaneously. That is one of the best ways to increase followers. Hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.